Did you know that chronic inflammation is linked to more than 50% of all deaths worldwide? This often overlooked condition is at the heart of some of today's most serious health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. What's even more surprising is that what we eat every day can significantly contribute to or help manage this silent threat. In a world where processed foods and sugary treats dominate our plates, the quest for natural, effective ways to reduce inflammation has never been more vital. With this in mind, one humble ingredient is starting to get attention, not just in kitchens, but in the world of nutrition science as well. That ingredient is semolina. You may know semolina as the golden flour used to make pasta, couscous, or even certain desserts. But beyond its culinary versatility, semolina carries a nutritional profile that has researchers and health experts taking note. Could this staple from durum wheat actually hold the key to reducing inflammation in the body? Before we answer that, let's take a closer look at the problem we're trying to solve. Chronic inflammation is a persistent, low-grade immune response that can quietly damage tissues and organs over time. Unlike the redness and swelling of acute inflammation, a helpful response to injury, chronic inflammation often goes unnoticed until it triggers more serious illnesses. Modern diets, high in refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients, are notorious for fueling this kind of inflammation. Meanwhile, many people struggle to find foods that not only taste good, but also help combat these harmful processes. This is where semolina enters the conversation. Derived from the endosperm of durum wheat, semolina is more than just a base for your favorite pasta. It's packed with essential nutrients that may influence the body's inflammatory responses. Let's break down what makes semolina unique and potentially beneficial in fighting inflammation. A single 1-cup serving of semolina, about 167 grams, delivers an impressive 21.2 grams of protein and 6.1 grams of dietary fiber. It's also a source of vital minerals, offering approximately 7.28 milligrams of iron, as well as significant amounts of magnesium and B vitamins. Why does this matter for inflammation? Research has shown that higher fiber intake can help regulate blood sugar levels, a crucial factor since blood sugar spikes and crashes are closely tied to inflammatory processes in the body. In other words, the fiber in semolina can help smooth out those peaks and valleys, reducing the stress on your body's systems. But the story doesn't end there. Semolina contains antioxidants such as phenolic acids and carotenoids. These natural compounds are known to help mitigate oxidative stress, which is a major driver of chronic inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body, leading to cellular damage. The presence of antioxidants in semolina means it may help neutralize some of those harmful free radicals, offering your body an additional layer of protection. So, what does the latest research say about semolina's role in inflammation? While more targeted studies are needed to fully unravel the connection, current evidence points in a promising direction. Experts highlight that the nutritional makeup of semolina, especially its combination of fiber and antioxidants, may offer real benefits in managing inflammation. For example, the fiber helps support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, which in turn can lower inflammation throughout the body. Meanwhile, the antioxidants work at the cellular level to reduce the burden of oxidative stress. It's also worth noting that semolina is a better option than many refined flours when it comes to promoting stable energy levels and satiety. By slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, it helps prevent those inflammatory blood sugar spikes that are common with many processed foods. However, there are important caveats. Semolina contains gluten, which makes it unsuitable for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For these individuals, consuming semolina can actually trigger inflammation rather than reduce it. That's why it's essential to consider your personal health circumstances before making any significant dietary changes. If gluten isn't a concern for you, semolina could be a valuable addition to a balanced anti-inflammatory diet. Despite its potential, experts agree that semolina is not a miracle cure. Reducing inflammation is about the bigger picture, an overall pattern of healthy eating that that includes plenty of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Semolina can play a role within that pattern, especially as a more nutritious and fiber-rich alternative to refined white flour. In summary, chronic inflammation is a major health challenge with roots in diet and lifestyle. Semolina offers a unique combination of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may contribute to lower inflammation when included as part of a balanced diet. Its ability to regulate blood sugar, support gut health, and provide antioxidants makes it a promising option for those looking to take control of their health and reduce the hidden risks of chronic inflammation. Remember, while Semolina shows potential, individual needs vary. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making major changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the latest research on nutrition and health, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. By staying informed, you can make better choices for your well-being and perhaps discover that the secret to a healthier life is already in your kitchen.